In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and click on Apps section. Then you need to click on App Cloner and tap on one of your available apps that you wish to clone. In my case, it's only Facebook. Then tap on this switcher next to Create App Clone, wait and tap on Rename App Clone. Over here you can name your app however you wish to, if you want to, and tap on Save. Now when I go back and try to look for my Facebook app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!